This is the Wilderness fifth wheel rebuild. This is day 2 of the rebuild. All new bracing and all new paneling. It's not 100% done yet. Pretty close. They're building a nest in here already, Dad. Dad, bees are building a nest in there. Can you believe that? World War B.
Car that pulls it. I've seen that. I want to build one just for
I'm going to go inside and show you guys what the paneling looks like.
Maybe, and we're gonna go for the weekend.
Haven't cleaned up in here at all. It's totally thrashed still. But it's the paneling. Still have to put in the trim pieces, obviously. Got to pull the wallpaper down. So it's still not finished, but it's getting there really quickly. Have to nail the paneling to the brace there. Didn't find paneling that matched very closely, but it looks good. Looks like that. That's the old stuff, but it looks good. So watch part 1 and 2, and now check in for part 4. Thanks and have a good day.